I'm Hercules, and you could say that my background isn't exactly normal. Growing up, I had a bit of an advantage over other children my age because I was half god. My mom was a lovely mortal lady called Alcmene, and my dad was none other than Zeus, king of the gods. Now, Zeus's wife was Hera, and she didn't much like me as I wasn't her son. So right from the off, she made my life very difficult. When I was a baby being looked after by my mom and stepdad after Tryon, Hera sent 2 snakes to kill me. Luckily, yours truly was blessed with super strength, and I swiftly strangled the little Blythers. Even more luckily, the goddess Athena took rather a shine to me and tried to look out for me throughout my life on Earth, despite Hera's evil intentions.
Hercules continued growing up, and by the time he was a young man, he'd learned loads of useful skills like horse riding, wrestling, sword fighting, and chariot driving. Unfortunately, he didn't always know how to control his strength, and there was a bit of a nasty incident when he, accidentally killed his music teacher by hitting him over the head with a lyre. Music lessons can be tense, you know. In an effort to calm him down, he was sent off to quietly look after his family's sheep. Did this keep him out of trouble? Not exactly. You see, he heard that the city of Thebes had been defeated by the minions. Eager to use his strength and, let's face it, have an adventure, he helped the Theban warriors get their city back. King Creon of Thebes was so grateful that he let him marry his beautiful daughter, Megara.
I was a lucky guy, but the thing was, I was desperate to be with my father Zeus. Of course, he lived up on Mount Olympus with the other gods, and despite being half god, I was just a bit too mortal to be allowed up there. To reach the dizzying heights of the gods' home, I had to prove myself to be a true hero. That's how I came to begin some devilishly difficult task known as... Completing these tasks required all my strength, bravery, and cunning. I don't like to brag, but all this effort brought me to unimaginable fame on Earth. More importantly, each one brought me one step closer to getting to Mount Olympus.